steel connecting rod. You can see here it's not jumping all over the place like people thought it would do. Seems about average. Original foil, original condenser. Original Bing carburetor, by Bing. And an Evervest sediment trap. Not the original air filter, but I have all of the original parts for the air filter and a new rubber and all that stuff. And then down here is when the frame was cut. Excuse me. And I welded it back in. It needs to get welded better. And they had something else welded on down there. I'm not sure what it was. Another bracket they welded on. And then I had to add on to that piece there. That piece was cut off. It's got new motor mounts. Got new flex joints. New bushings. 58 BMW Isetta. It's fairly complete when I got it. I was missing my white lenses there. It was missing the mirror. The top was no good. I just bought new rubbers here from Germany, put those in. I have a new rubber kit, so they'll be coming with new rubbers for the car. I got new aftermarket taillight lenses and the original bezels. It's got new reflectors inside the taillights. The original rear bumpers. This is a major body work right here. It's got a little bit of a dent right there. Some stuff there, but overall mostly no body damage. And the only rust I could find was in the bottom of the battery. Obviously everybody has rusty battery tray. Let's see. So I put a piece of aluminum in the bottom. And it's just screwed in place. It does have a little bit of battery tray left, at least enough to hang that on. The only other rust I could find in the whole car is up here along this edge where water dripped in. But you can see it's hardly anything, if you can see anything at all. But that's the only rust I could find was along this edge here. So I put carpeting, I put Dynamat, and then I put carpeting because I drove it one day and it was really loud. Oh look. And there's a fuel tap I made to go on the petcock that I put on from the motorcycle. So it goes off, on, and reserve. And I made my own shift knob. That was missing. And all the electrical's original. And I got the wiper motor to work, but it runs really slow. It's got the original Isetta emblems on it. Windshield's in good shape. It's got a couple scratches, but since they're on the passenger side, I don't see them when I'm driving. But it's delaminating a little bit around the bottom here, all around the edge. It's got a new windshield gasket in it. And I've got the gray insert that goes into it. And when I was working on the wipers, I didn't want this side working. So when I took it apart, I actually snapped the little plastic thing that went in here. I could probably make another one, or I bet they're available. So there's the original VIN tag, and matching serial number. The matching serial number on the engine. And other than that, let's show you that all the lights work. It's got the parking lights. And the headlights. And the dip switch. And the horn. Horn is phenomenal. I rebuilt that thing. And the turn signals. It's the right, obviously. And that one. And the left, obviously. So all the electrical works, even the wiper. Hello. There it goes. Really slow, but it does warm up a little bit, and starts going a lot faster. I actually have a video of driving home in the rain with that thing running. I'm going to turn that off for now because we don't need it. And I'm going to end this video because I'm getting rained on. Oh, I know. The seat. The car didn't come with a seat, so I made this seat. It's made out of plywood. And I had a buddy of mine and then I put a upholstery on it, and I made the frame for it. It's substantial. It's made out of 3/4 inch angle iron. And I made it to fit the car, and everything down here is, there you can see the battery box a little bit better. And the floor, see there's no rust on the floor. I chipped off all the original stuff, but if you're going to restore the car, you're going to sandblast all that stuff anyway. So, I don't know. It's a nice car, a really nice driver. Alright, that's it. Only going about 40 miles an hour. So this is all original 58, unrestored, mechanically restored, rebuilt engine. Country in my 58 BMW Isetta. Hey look, there's some cows. Which one do you think's bigger, me or the cow? I mean, not me personally, me the car. We're going about 40 miles an hour today.